In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the guest list in Google Calendar, whether you're planning a surprise party, organizing a confidential meeting, or simply valuing the privacy of your attendees. Concealing the guest list can be quite essential. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. To get started, let's first head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by visiting calendar.google.com, calendar, google.com, and logging into your Google account if you haven't already. You'll see your existing events displayed, and from here we'll select the particular event for which you want to hide the guest list. Once you've located and clicked on the event you want to modify, you'll notice a pencil icon that represents the edit option. Go ahead and click on that pencil icon to enter the event's editing mode. This is where you can make any necessary changes to your event's details and settings. Now that you're in the editing mode, let's direct our attention to the guest permissions section. This area is crucial as it controls what your guests can see and do with the invitation you've sent them. In the guest permissions section, you'll notice different settings that you can adjust, and one of those options is the ability for guests to see guest list. By default, this option might be checked, allowing everyone invited to see who else is attending. However, for enhanced privacy, you'll want to uncheck this box. Just click on the checkbox next to See Guest List to remove the checkmark. The absence of this checkmark means that your guests will no longer see the names or email addresses of other invitees when they view the invitation in their Google Calendar. Before concluding the edits, take a moment to review any other details or permissions in your event settings to ensure everything is set to your preference. Once you're satisfied with the changes, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. You may be prompted to send updates to your guests. Choose the option that suits you best. Your updated event will now respect the privacy of your guest list, and that's all there is to it. A straightforward yet effective way to keep your guest list private using Google Calendar. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped in making your event management a little smoother. If you found this video useful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.